Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can play Fortnite on PC with a PS4 controller. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So you might have gone to play Fortnite on your PC and actually gone to connect your PS4 controller and realised that it's not actually working, and you've probably been having a lot of issues trying to get it to work. And in this video I'll be showing you the fix in order to actually get that working. So if you didn't already know, PS4 controllers are not actually compatible with Fortnite on PC. So what we will have to do is actually download this software called DS4 Windows. Now as you can see here, it says DS4 Windows is an open source gamepad, input mapper and virtual emulator designed to use and connect your PlayStation controller to Windows 10 and 11. And this will get you the best gaming experience with the state-of-the-art features, gamepad customization and less input latency on your PS5 or PS4 controller. So the first thing you will actually have to do is just go ahead and download this. You can type in DS4 Windows onto Google and you'll be taken to this website, and then from here you can just click this button to download it. So here are the things you will actually need first. You will need a PS4 controller, a PC that runs Windows 10 and a micro USB cable. Once you've done that, you can download DS4 Windows, extract the zip, open the file called ds4windows.exe, and then follow the instructions on screen and connect your PS4 controller to your PC via your micro USB cable. So from there, once your controller is connected, you just want to go ahead and open Fortnite and go into the settings menu. Then in the settings menu, select controller and make sure enable PS4 controller option is selected. You should be able to see a section that says change settings. From here you can change the buttons to whatever you like for each individual controller. There are also a few in-game settings that you will need to adjust in order to use the PS4 controller on PC. And the first is to go into the settings menu and select the controller tab. Here you want to make sure the type is set to PS4 controller. Then you can go to the bindings tab and scroll down to the input section. Here we need to bind your controller's buttons to the corresponding actions. For example, you will need to bind the X button to the jump button. You also may need to adjust the dead zones for your controller's analog sticks as well. So once you have successfully done that, you'll then be able to play with your PS4 controller on PC. So that is exactly how you can play Fortnite on PC with a PS4 controller. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.